beyond the world below. I watch the gathering tempest grow, a living giant wrapped in flame, as lightning writes the heavens' name. The clouds arise like mountain seas, forged by unseen energies, a kingdom born of wind and fire, ascending ever higher and higher.
The thunder rolls across the sky, a primal voice that won't comply,
In brilliant veins of silver light, split open realms of endless night.
from orbit's edge it seems so small, yet towers high beyond us all.
A monument of nature's reign, unleashing beauty, fear and pain.
The storm awakens wild and free,
A force as old as destiny,
both terror and magnificence,
beyond the reach of human sense.
lightning tears the darkness wide, as thunder shakes the world outside.
Rivers fall from heaven's gate, pouring down with boundless weight.
From space it moves in silent grace,
A swirling giant clothed in space,
it's far below its power stands,
reshaping oceans, skies and land. Behold the fury, vast and grand, no mortal force can make it stand. A masterpiece of earth's design, where chaos and creation intertwine.
so raise your eyes and stand in awe
Before the ancient cosmic law, that every storm, both fierce and wild, remains creation's untamed child.
though it may leave destruction behind,
And test the strength of humankind,
it clears away what time has worn.
so something greater may be born.
The air goes clean, the rivers run,
Beneath the light of a newborn sun,
where the mighty waters sweep,
new shores awaken from the deep.
the heavens roar,
The oceans rise
the earth awakens.
before our eyes.
The storm has passed, the sky made new,
A brighter world comes breaking through,
a fresh beginning, vast and clear.
the dawn of another atmosphere. both sea and sand. And when the final thunder fades and sunlight crowns the mountain shades, the storm departs, its work complete, leaving earth renewed beneath.